Okay, now assembly. There's two other C-clips down inside that hold the bearings in place. I've already rebuilt this turbo. I'm just doing this to show how to do it, so I'm not going to remove those. They're already in there, down in. Next, you just take the bearings, set them back in place. Take the new C-clips, place them back in. Make sure they're in place good. Take your other C-clip, put it in. Like so. Now the bearings are held in place. Okay, next, take your thrust washer right here, set it right here in the screw, little pocket for it. Take your thrust bearing, make sure the little slot here goes over the oil hole inside right there, and this hole goes over the retaining pin. Slide it down in like so, just like that. Next, you want to be sure to replace the little piston ring here, and then you just insert that into here like this. Just pops in place like that. Sits just like that. Next, you want to make sure the little piece of metal here sticks out, goes into the hole over here like this. And you take your O-ring, slide it over this. Place it in. Carefully push it in without damaging the O-ring. Like so. Now it's in. Sorry, I have to switch the thing. Okay, I take the C-ring, C-clip here. Try not to break my tool while doing this. Like so. Sure that's in place good. Okay. Alright. This is all set. Next thing you do, place the little piston ring in here. I've already done so. Like I said, I already rebuilt this, so it's already ready to put together. You'd replace that. That's actually your oil seal. Turn the turbo over. Put this in here. Carefully slide this in place. So, little tap. Okay. Now it's seated well. Doesn't have any play. Spins nice and free. Turn this over. Put your compressor wheel on. Like so. This is reverse thread. 12.10mm nut. Backside 19mm 12 point. Final torque. Okay. It's all torqued, ready to go. No play. Spins nice. Next, take your compressor housing. Okay, next you install your C-clip, like so. Make sure it's in place good. Okay, and basically you're done.